Conversation 1.
Wow, you sound terrible.
Yeah, I think I have the flu.
Oh, well, you better go home and get some rest.
I will, as soon as I finish this.
No. You need to stop. It'd be better for all of us.
I guess you're right. I don't want you to get sick too.
Conversation 2.
Where's Sally? I need her to sign this.
I think she just left to go home.
Oh no, maybe I can catch her.
Well, you better hurry.
Thanks, I'll try to catch her.
Good luck.
Conversation 3.
Well, it's getting late. I'd better get going.
Okay, thanks for stopping by.
Oh, it was my pleasure. Thanks for inviting me.
Anytime. So, how are you going home?
I'm thinking of taking the expressway.
You'd better drive slow then. The fog is bad tonight.
Thanks, will do.
Conversation 4.
Oh man, this pizza is great.
Yeah, it is. But how many slices have you had?
I'm not sure. Maybe 8 or 10 or 12?
Yeah, you'd better slow down. You'll get sick.
Yeah, you're right. I'd better take it easy.
Yeah, and save some for me, will you?